equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of changing the battery on your Tradesegur Surface 1901. This task may seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have it done in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with the Tradesegur Surface 1901. If you're unsure, we can help with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Begin by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement. Once it's off, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. If you find it difficult, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from a socket. It's important to handle this part with care to prevent any damage. Now, remove the old battery from its compartment. You may need to unscrew a few additional screws that hold the battery in place. Keep track of these screws as well. After the old battery is out, take a moment to clean the internal area with your microfiber cloth. This helps ensure that no dust or debris interferes with the new battery's performance. Next, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Once everything is connected, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your Tradesegur Surface 1901. Check to see if the device recognizes the new battery and is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your device back in top shape. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Tradesegur Surface 1901. With proper care and maintenance, your device will continue to serve you well for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.